Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your CX-30 key fob. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This is a 1.5. Anything around this size is fine. And also, you need one of the 2032 replacement batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I will take it straight there. So first order of business, this piece is going to be sliding off. And you want to take this latch right here, push it that way, and then slide this cover down. You can see there's 3 notches here, and those fit in those 3 notches. Next thing you want to do is in this corner right here, you can see the orientation of this corner here. Just push that little clip right there through. You can see this is what I've pushed through. And I have access to the battery. Go ahead and take your flat tip screwdriver, pop that up. That slides out. Flat tip screwdriver goes here. Pry that dead battery out. Make sure you place a new one under that tab. This slides in under here. And the Mazda symbol goes just like that. And then this one, you want to line these 3 up with these 3. Put them lower, slide it in, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.